Baby shark, pop, pop, bubble pop. Let's blow bubbles, ready, start. Baby shark in the ocean blue. Found a wand, shiny and new. Dip it in and blow it slow. Wow, so many bubbles. Go, 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 pop, pop, bubble pop. Floating up, they never stop. Big and small, watch them fly. Color bubbles in the sky. One big bubble, oh so round. Lifted baby off the ground. Uh-oh, mommy, help me please. Floating high above the seas. Mommy shark just laughs out loud. Wave your fins and don't be proud. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Up you go and never stop. Wiggle, wiggle, down you drop. Splashy landing, bubble pop. Daddy shark says let me try. Blows huge bubbles to the sky. Grandma shark makes rainbow ones. Grandpa shark, 10 at once. Pop, pop, bubble pop. Family fun that never stops. Round and shiny, big and bright. Bubbles dancing left and right. Baby shark blew one too fast. Uh-oh, it grew super massive. It covered fish and coral too. Even Daddy shouted, woo! All together, clap, clap, clap. Bubble burst with a giant snap. Up, hop, bubble pop. Silly bubbles never stop. Laugh and splash and dance around. Bubbly fun is what we found. Now the bubbles drift away, shiny at the end of day. Baby shark waves with a smile. Let's blow bubbles one more while. Pop, pop, bubble pop. We had fun, it's time to stop. Clap your fins and sing along. Bubbles make a happy song. Baby shark. Baby shark. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Yummy, yummy teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Mommy shark. Brush, brush, brush. Daddy shark. Brush, brush, brush. Grandpa shark. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Funny verses. Baby shark ate lots of fish at night. His teeth went yellow. What a sight! Mommy said, oh no, no, no. Time to brush, let's go, go, go. He brushed up and down like a crazy clown. Brushed round and round, upside down. Brush left side, swish, swish, swish. Brush right side, swish, swish, swish. Funny action part, toothpaste on. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Bubbles coming, bloop, bloop, bloop. Spit it out, toop, toop, toop. Now his teeth go shine, shine, shine. Super funny ending. Baby shark looked in the mirror, smiled so big. Wow, I'm a winner! His teeth so white, shiny and bright. He danced and sang with all his might. Now every morning, every night, baby shark brushes with D-White. If you want teeth like baby shark, brush, brush, brush. Yay, yay, yay! Yay, yay, yay! Yay, yay, yay! Brush, brush, brush. Yay, yay, yay! Brush, brush, brush. Swish, swish, swish. Sparkle, sparkle, shine. Baby shark teeth, super fine. Yay, yay, yay! Family fun, yay, yay, yay! Roar, baby shark, doo-doo-doo, wait. Splashing in the ocean blue on wiggle, waggle, tail so fast. Let's find fun that really lasts. Baby shark is swimming wide and doing flips from side to side. Then suddenly, big roar, roar, roar. Something jumps out near the shore. Tiny. Dino sneezes. Splash, he falls into the blue. Got baby shark laughs. Hey, are you okay? Dino says, oops, I'm just trying to play. Hey, hey. Dino stomps, boom, boom, boom. Makes big waves like zoom, zoom, zoom. Baby shark spins round and round. Both are making funny sound. swims. Oh no, he grooves. Baby shark walks like a day. No two, they both laugh. Woo hoo hoo. They find food floating by. Dino eats, then starts to fly. Ha ha. Woo. He goes super loud. Baby shark laughs very proud. Food falls everywhere, splashy mess. Oops, we made a funny stress. Ha ha. Dino jumps boom in sand. Now he's stuck. Oh, not planned. Baby shark tries to pull him free. Push, push, push. 1, 2, 3. I slip, splash into sea head. Both go spinning like crazy spree. Oopsie doo, what a day. Funniest friends in every way. Now they laugh and splash all day, doing silly games they play. Dino roars, baby shark sings help. Friendship, joy that ocean brings them. Baby shark and Dino fun. Best silly friends under the sun. Wow. Night is coming soft and slow. Tiny stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, love pillow under head, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Wow. Then comes a flutter by the pane. Little owl in moonlight playing. Hello baby, don't you cry, I will take you to the sky. Baby smiles, eyes so wide. Owl says, come take a ride. Owl lifts baby in the air, up and up without a care. Through the clouds they start to glide, moonlight shining side to side. Push, push up, they go, flying high and moving slow. Baby laughs with joyful sound. The stars are shining all around. And star one shining bright, so close I can feel the light. And star to glow and rare. Hello star, I see you too. Wow. And star three dancing free, they are smiling back at me. Then star 4 more and more, the sky is like a magic door. And star 5 so alive, so alive. Stars are jumping, wow, they thrive. Floating softly through the night, baby feels pure joy and light. Stars are singing lullaby. Moon is smiling in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle everywhere. Magic sparkles in the air. All says softly, time to go back to bed, nice and slow. Down they fly through clouds so deep. Baby yawns and starts to sleep. Back in bed so safe and warm, dreams are dancing in sweet form. Twinkle, twinkle, night is done. Counting stars was so much fun. I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining. Yippee! And touch the stars shining fair. By wolf flies into the sky. Stars are glowing, passing by. Dreamy sleeps with smiles so bright, dreaming of the starry flight. Ring! What do we see here? Baby steps in, oh so small. Is this school for me at all? Baby walks in, sleepy slow. Sees a lion, say hello. Teacher all says take a seat. Baby waves with tiny feet. Oops, oops, what's going on? Something here feels kinda wrong. Roar and meow and bark around. Baby hears so many sounds. Dog says woof, baby laughs. Cat is writing on the math. Monkey jumps on classroom desk. Is this school or jungle fest? Baby claps, I like this place. But paint is on his tiny face. Learn, what a mix. Animals doing funny tricks. School is wild, not so neat. Everyone is on their feet. Elephant rings the school bell loud. Birds are flying through the crowd. Frog is hopping on the chair. Teacher, what is happening there? Baby says I'm learning too. But he's drawing on his shoe. Oops, oops, silly day. Learning in a crazy way. Books are flying left and right. Birds are flying left and right. What a funny school delight. Teacher all looks very wise. Baby, you're a sweet surprise. This is animal school fun. But your school has just begun. Baby smiles, I love you all. Even if I came by fall. Clap, clap, lesson done. Learning here is full of fun. Roar and chirp and bark so loud. Animal school makes us proud. Teacher says let's help you go to your human school, you know. Animals wave goodbye with cheer. Come back anytime next year. Baby